Hey everybody, it's game time. Let's have some fun. Let's open some Chronicles basketball. I've opened a good bit of this and I've never pulled a Jason Tatum autograph. I've pulled Dennis Smith Jr., De'Aaron Fox. I even pulled Donovan Mitchell, but I've never pulled a Tatum. I would love to pull a Tatum. I like this stuff because I love Chronicles Baseball of 17 because it has 4 hits and this only has 3. But I like the different variety of cards that you can get in the basketball better than the baseball. The baseball has the Prism. I mean, I like the Spectra and the Gold Standard, but the basketball has some different stuff in it that I like. And since there's so many good rookies in this class, you can come out of one of these breaks with some really cool cards, cool rookie cards. So I think as far as the base stuff, this probably holds more value than the baseball does overall. It's a completely different setup though. With the baseball you get 12 packs, 5 cards per pack. With this, it's only 3 packs, 15 cards per pack, and you're going to get 1 hit in every pack. So it's a lot of cards per pack, and I'll try to hold on to them instead of throwing them everywhere like I normally do. Klay Thompson, Redick, Oladipo, Harris, Bogdanovich, rookie, Harrison Barnes to 199. Ooh, Fultz. Is it going to be an autograph or just it's just a jersey? That's still pretty cool. So rookie jersey. So that's one of the hits. These, I like this Majestic. This is a Jonathan Isaac rookie to 99. Here is Harry Giles. This is a purple and it's numbered to 149. Pinnacle Anagbu rookie. I like the Pinnacle cards. These are a little bit thicker stock. Lillard to 149. Rose, my man Al Horford, Blake Griffin, and Vince Carter. Alright, I'm hoping the other 2 hits, since that one was a jersey, will be autographed. We shall find out. It should be. Dwight Howard, Jeff Teague, Durant, Bledsoe, Thies, Steven Adams. Oh, this is not too bad. I like Kennard. So Kennard autograph to 199. I don't know if he's going to be the best rookie of this class for sure, but I like him. Zizic, this is to 99. Rookie blue Majestic parallel. Justin Patton red rookie to 299. Josh Jackson, Momentum rookie. This is another one of the cards I was talking about that I like. I wish my autograph had been this fella. Marketing rookie Majestic. Yeah, I'd rather had him than Kennard. But you get what you get. Evans, Chris Paul, Seth Curry, Isaiah Thomas. Alright, last pack. Porzingis, Dragic, Rodney Hood, Damian Lillard, Dennis Smith Jr. rookie, Wiggins to 99, filler card, and Sindarius Thornwell is the other autograph. This is numbered to 99. So another rookie auto. Blue parallel for the Clippers. Then we have Josh Jackson. This is a Pinnacle Artist Proof to 249. Derek White Limited rookie. It's another one of the base cards I like. This is numbered to 149. Anobi Panini. Another thicker stock card I like. Tadosic Pinnacle. Prince, Beal, Jokic, Steven Adams. Definitely not one of my stronger boxes, for sure. but it's not too bad. 2 autos, 1 jersey, and it's at least a jersey, rookie jersey, so that's kind of cool. Alright, that's it. A box of 1718 Chronicles for your viewing pleasure. Everybody, I hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself, and I'll be back with you all again soon.